10th class students, we continue with exercise 13a. I do question number 14. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line joining the points -30 and 66. This is point A, this is -30, B is 66. Point of trisection mean the points which divide them into 3 equal parts. Let this point be P, this be Q. Let coordinates of point P are x1 and y1. Coordinates of point Q are x2, y2. Now these 3 are equal parts. What will be AP? Let AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB is equal to x. Let every part is equal to x. Then AP upon PB, AP is x, PB is 2 times x, x plus x. From P to B it is 2 times x. So ratio is 1:2. Ratio of AP to PB is 1:2. Now I have to find x1 and y1 for P. x1 is m1 y2 1 into 6 plus m2 y1 2 into -3 upon m1 plus m2. So x1 is 6 minus 6 upon 3. It is 6 minus 6 is 0. So x1 is 0. It is m1 y2 1 into 6 plus m2 y1 2 into 0 upon 1 plus 2. It is 6 plus 0 upon 3. It is 2. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 2 is 6. So the point P is x was 0, y1 is 2. Point P is 0, 2. Now for point Q, I draw the line again. The same line I draw for -3 0. It is A, B 6 6. These are 3 equal parts. Now Q is x2 y2. P I have found. Now AQ to QB. Now it is 2 parts this side, 2x, 1 part this side. This ratio is 2:1. For Q, this ratio is 2:1. So for Q, the points are x2, coordinates are x2 and y2. So x2 is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. 2 plus 1 3. I write directly. 6 2 is 12. 12 minus 3 upon 3. 9 upon 3. It is 3. For y2, m1 y2, m2 y1 1 into 0 upon m1 plus m2. So 12, 6 2 is 12 plus 0 upon 3. 3 4 is 12. So y2 is 4. So the point Q is x2 was 3, y2 is 4. Point Q is 3 and 4. Then I do question number 15 is same. Here we have to find a ratio 15 16 should do. They are of the same type like question number 14. Then question number 17, it is easier one, still I do. If A is minus 4 3, B is 8 minus 6, then we have to find the length of AB. For AB, I apply distance formula that we have done in 9th class. Length AB is A x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This minus minus plus 8 plus 4 12 square minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 square 144 plus 81 225, that is 15. So AB is 15. And the ratio in which the line AB is divided by the x-axis. So any point on x-axis is x and 0. So this point is minus 4 3. Second point is 8 and minus 6. This point is x and 0. Let the ratio be m is to 1. Ratio I have to find. So I know the value of y, value of x I do not know, value of y is 0. So I write 0 is equal to m1 y2 m into minus 6 plus m2 y1 1 into 3 upon m plus 1. So when I cross multiply, this whole expression will become 0. 0 is equal to minus 6m plus 3, or 6m is equal to 3, m is equal to 3 upon 6 or 1 upon 2. So ratio is 1 upon 2 ratio 1 or 1 ratio 2. This is the answer. Question number 18 is same. Question number 18 is just like question number 7. Y axis only points are changed. Then I do question number 19. A25. I am given a triangle ABC. So I draw the triangle ABC. A is 25, B is minus 1 2, C is 5 8, points P and Q lie on AB and AC. This is A, B, C. P lies on AB, Q lies on AC. The ratio, both ratios are 1:2. AP to PB 1:2. AQ to QC, it is also 1:2. Then I join PQ. I have to find coordinates of P and Q. So let coordinates of P be x1 and y1. Then what is x1 equal to? Ratio is 1:2. M2 x1, M1 x2, upon m1 plus m2. This is ratio. 1 and 2 is ratio. So x1 is 4 minus 1 upon 3, 3 upon 3, 1. y1 is m2 y1, 2 into 5 plus m1 y2, 1 into 2 upon m1 plus m2. So it is 10 plus 2 upon 3, 12 upon 3, 4. So coordinates of P are 1 and 4. Coordinates of P are 1 and 4. Then I find coordinates of Q. Let coordinates of Q be x2 and y2. So x2 is 2 into m2 x1, 2 into 2 plus 1 into 5, 2 into 2 plus 1 into 5. Upon 1 plus 2. x2 is 2 into 2, 4 plus 5 upon 3, 9 upon 3, 3. Then y2 is 2 into 5 plus 1 into 8. 2 into 5, 1 into 8 upon m1 plus m2. It is 10 plus 8 upon 3, 18 upon 3, 6. So coordinates of Q are 3 and 6. Coordinates of P were 1 and 4. Now I have to show that PQ is 1 by 3 BC. So what will length of PQ? I apply distance formula, x2 minus x1 square, y2 minus y1 square, root 1 by 3. What is BC? BC is 5 plus 1 square. I apply distance formula, plus 8 minus 2 square. So 3 minus 1, 2 square, 4. 6 minus 4, 2 square, 4. 1 by 3. 5 plus 1 square, 6 square, 36. 8 minus 2 square, 6 square, 36. It is 4 plus 4, root 8, 1 by 3, 36 plus 36, root 72. Root 8 is 2 root 2, 1 by 3, root 72 is 6 root 2. It is 6 into 6 into 2, 6 into 6, 36 into 2, 72. 3 2 is 6. So it means 2 root 2 is 2 root 2, LHS is RHS, hence proved. Okay. Coordinate axis. Point P is minus 4, 5. Let it be minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let this be point P. Then point Q is 3, 2. Let this be point Q, that is 3, 2. Then I join P and Q. It meets y-axis at R. Any point on R is any point on y-axis is 0 and y. From here, from P, this perpendicular is drawn to x-axis. From Q, perpendicular is drawn on x-axis. This is PM, this is QN. Now what will be coordinates of point M? It will be -4 and 0. Length of MN will be 5 because this side is 5. Length of QN will be 2 because this point is 3 and 2. Now I have to, first part is I have to find ratio PR to RQ. So let ratio PR to RQ is M is to 1. Let this ratio be M is to 1. Now I know that X is 0. So 0 is equal to M1 M2 X1 या M1 X2 3M plus M2 X1 1 and 2 minus 4 upon M plus 1. So I cross multiply. 0 is equal to 3M minus 4 or 3M is equal to 4. M is equal to 4 by 3. Ratio M is to 1 is 4 by 3 ratio 1 or 4 ratio 3. So this ratio is 4 ratio 3. Then I have to find coordinates of R, mean I have to find Y. 0 I know, Y is M2. Now I know the ratio. M2 Y1 4 into 2 plus M1 Y2 3 into 5 upon M1 plus M2. So Y is 4 to 8, 8 plus 15 23 upon 7. Then I have to find area. This is trapezium. 2 lines are parallel, 2 are non-parallel. So I do it here so that you can see the diagram alongside. So area of trapezium PMNQ is half into sum of parallel sides PM plus NQ into distance between the parallel sides, that is MN. This point will be 3 0. So it is 1 by 2. This is 5. QN is 2. MN is 4. Is from here to here it is 4. From here to here it's 3. So total is 7. That is 1 by 2 into 7 into 7, 49 upon 2, 24.5 square units. This is area of trapezium PMNQ. So with this we come to end of today's class. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.